Hello there, welcome to Synconics. So in this video I will show you the import functionality of this Xero connector. Alright, so we are here at the Xero configurations part, that is from the invoicing, and have gone to the configurations and the Xero accounts. So here we have defined this one account, right? So here let's coming on to the import part. Here we have provided the options like create, update and both, right? So I'm just making the distinguishing between this functionality that see, first of all, when we will go to this create options, right, then whatever the new kind of record that will be created at the Xero side, okay, and when we will import it to the Odoo side, then that new created records will be only imported at the Odoo side, right? And here when we will click at the update side, then whatever any kind of new updations or new changes will be done at the Xero side, those records only will be get updated at Odoo side by the import operations. All right, and when the user want to do these two process simultaneously, both at the same time, then they have to select these both options. All right, so here we have provided these options as per the choices by the user, whatever they want by this import, by doing these import operations. Okay, now next is that we have provided one options, that is if you want to import invoice without product tick this, then we have to tick over the this boolean. All right, see, sometimes the clients you know do not want to import their product related informations right at the time of invoice generation. So here by clicking this boolean, what our system will do, our system will directly import that product related invoice without importing the actual product data to our Odoo accounts. All right, so this is the basic difference. Now here coming on to the currencies part, as you can see, import of the currencies. Okay, now first of all let's go to the Xero side, and as you can see, accounting, going to the advanced. Okay, I will show the menu sequence, that from which menu sequence we have gone to this currencies. As you can see, the currencies over here. All right, and you can see that we have defined the three currencies like Afghani, Albanian lakh and Canadian dollars. All right, so just go through that and import the currencies. All right, now the currencies are imported successfully. So we will go to the configurations part and we'll go to the currencies. Okay, I'm doing one thing, just duplicating it and go to the currencies. So as you can see that the Afghanistan related currencies, right, Albanian related currencies and Canadian dollars are successfully imported over here, right, at the Odoo side. All right, so this is the import of currencies. Let's go to the another part, import of taxes. So let's go at the Xero side first, going to the accounting, tax rates. Okay, so as you can see that there are different kinds of taxes as per the GBP kind of currencies over there. So there are different kinds of taxes over here at the Xero sides. So now let's import the taxes. All right, so now going to the second tab, and we'll go to the configurations part and taxes. So as you can see that there are Xero related taxes are successfully imported to our Odoo accounts. As you can see, different types of taxes are there. All right, so this is the taxes related operations. Okay, so let's proceed ahead. Next thing is charts of accounts. Okay, so let's go again with the Xero side and going to the accounting and the charts of accounts, as you can see. All right, now as you can see at the Xero side, there are different various kinds of charts of accounts with their unique charts of accounts code. All right, and whatever kinds of taxes those are defined over here. So these all things will be automatically imported at the Odoo side. All right, as you can see that. So at the Xero side, we have already at the Odoo side, we have already imported these charts of accounts. So we will go at the configurations part, and we'll go to the charts of accounts. So as you can see that total 189 charts of accounts are imported at the Odoo side. As you can see, there are different kinds of charts of accounts that are supported by Xero side. All right, and now I'm just going to the one example. This is there, and this is software descriptions. This is miscellaneous data of these charts of accounts. All right, so like this way we can import the charts of accounts from Xero to the Odoo side. All right, now next proceed to the manual journals. So for these manual journals, we will go again with the Xero account, and this accounting, we will go to the journal report. Okay, and from the journal report you can see the menu over here, that is manual journals. We will click on that, proceed for the all kinds of journals. As you can see that this journal is already there. All right, now coming on to the Xero part. Xero part is here, and coming on to the Odoo side again. So from the Odoo part, we will go from the second tab, and this accounting journal entries there. So as you can see that this journal is successfully get created at our Odoo side. All right, so this is the import functionality for our manual journals. Okay, now coming on to the bank accounts part. So for this bank accounts, we will go to the Xero side. Here in this accounting, we will click on this bank accounts. All right, so as you can see that we have already configured this bank account over here is related to this HSBC. All right, now this is the bank account number. This is the type of this is the business account. All right, this is the name of the bank, and this is the number. All right, so as you can see, this is my number of my bank account, and this is the name. All right, that is business account. All right, and now we will go to the Odoo side, and we'll see. So as you can see that we have already imported these bank accounts at our Odoo side. So here we will go at the bank details, as you can see that. All right, so now these related all informations is successfully imported at our Odoo side. So like that you can create multiple bank accounts at Xero side, and then also import them in a bulk. All right, so this is the bank account related import functionality over there. So next will be the contacts. All right, so let's go to the Xero side, and we will proceed for this contacts menu, all contacts. So as you can see that we have created this John Smith related contact with their related email address, website, and all these miscellaneous informations, right? And at the Odoo side we have already this imported this contacts. So now go to this second tab, and we'll go proceed for the customers. As you can see now, as you can see, this John Smith related contact information is successfully imported at our Odoo side. Okay, and whatever if there are more fields there, it will be this related data will be automatically get imported at the Odoo side. So this is related to the contacts import process. All right, so now let's move on to the products. Okay, now we will go to the Xero side, and we'll go to business and products and services. All right, now so here we have configured these two products. First of is laptop, and second one is mouse. But here we have taken this laptop for the tracked category, right? That as you can see that we have defined the quantity, the inventory, that is stock on hand, that will be the 9 quantities, and the opposite side we have defined a mouse for untracked category, right? So like this we have taken both of examples for this untracked category as well as the tracked category. All right, now we have already imported these products at the Odoo side. Let's go to the Odoo side and we'll proceed for the products. Okay, now as you can see the laptop we have defined over here. So as you can see, these all kind of miscellaneous informations, and this is for the track category. Okay, now coming on to the mouse part, this is mouse, and here it is defined for the untracked kind of categories. And one more thing is that when this product will define for this untracked kind of category, their inventory will be not get managed. All right, all right, so this is related to the products related import process. Now coming on to the invoices part. So as you can see the invoices over here. So let's go to the Xero side and we'll go to the business and this invoices. So as you can see that the previously created customers related we have taken invoices into the draft stage in this paid stage. All right, okay, so these kinds of invoices are get created at the Xero side. Now coming on to the Odoo part, we have already imported this invoice at our Odoo side. So let's check it out in the second tab, invoices. So as you can see that these invoices are successfully get created at the Odoo side. All right, now coming on to the credit notes part. So whatever kind of credit notes that will be get generated by the Xero side, so it can be imported to the Odoo side. So let's go to the Xero side, and as you can see that this icon indicates that this is the credit note is get generated at the Xero side. All right, and the 500 due amount is there and it is in the draft stage. All right, now coming onto the Odoo account, Odoo side, and let's cross check it. So we will go to the next tab over here. We will go to the customers and the credit notes. All right, so as you can see that this credit note is with the due of 5,000 pounds will be automatically imported at the Odoo side, and it is again at the draft stage. All right, so these all kinds of operations as you can see that we can import from our Xero account to the Odoo side. All right, and just like that whatever kind of updations are also there, so you can select these booleans as you can see that, like create, update and both, right, to import various kinds of new created data as well as various kinds of updated and changed information related data also. All right, so this is that's all for this import related process. Thank you for watching.